Going to see the real case studies of how the results will be for if we are running some Facebook advertisement and if we are running some Google advertisement. Okay, so let us see how the results will be for the Google advertisement. Else I can able to show here. Okay, so this is the one thing that I'm running the campaign for the Google. I mean, for the projects of digital marketing. So while running the advertisement, this is the impressions that totally I had received. From this impressions, I'm getting this much of clicks, and from this clicks, and this is the interaction rate from how much impressions, how much clicks we had received. That will be considered as interaction rate, and what is the average cost that I had spent for single click for a single interaction. So what's the total amount that I had spent for a single interaction, and what's the total amount that I had spent for the total amount of interactions that we had done. So that means for each and every click we'll be having we'll be charged, and from that we will be getting a total cost which we have to pay to the Google. Okay, this is how the results will be there based on the campaign that we are running in Google Ads. And apart from this, we have some other inside in-depth data where we can analyze. We can able to analyze based on ads, we can analyze based on extensions, and we can able to view based on locations, like what are the locations that users are traveling to our website. I'm sorry, users are traveling through the Google search and reaching us. Okay, so those data we can able to see here. So here we can able to check it out. From India, there are 501 people who had clicked and visited the page for the advertisement which has been run. And there are some other results for Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, and more. Okay, suppose if we want to check out some particular location, suppose for an example in Indonesia, which are the part that people are coming from, which are the part people are visiting from. So what are the options that I have? Province and town, city, airport, and etc. district, and everything is available. So let me to choose the province option. When I'm choosing the province option, I can able to get more data about which particular area they are coming from. Is it Central Java, East Java, or Jakarta, Indonesia? So these are the places from where I'm getting my advertisement has been shown, as well as I'm getting the clicks. Okay, suppose if I want to check it out based on pin code, that is possible. If I want to check based on district or city or region, I think I can give that would be a better option. City, region. I can able to get an exact data about from which location the audience are coming from. Okay, so this data we can able to obtain from Google Ads. And apart from this, there are a lot of other factors are there while it comes to reporting. And this is good enough for us for this particular position, and for this particular session. And let us drive on to the Facebook advertisements, and let us have a case study about how the Facebook advertisements will result us if we are having some practical and real time advertisement. It is taking some time. Okay, okay. So here I have. So this one is something I use it for creating some advertisements for the campaign, and how the results are obtained, and how the campaign has been optimized, and something those things will be here. Okay. So I was running I was running a lead generation campaign. Okay, so while I'm running a lead generation campaign, so this data will be usually common for most of the ad results when we are running some lead generation campaign. Okay, so let us see by based on performance and tracking. I don't know how this. Okay, okay, here I have. So these are the data that we have received. So for Google, approximately for 1,000 impressions, the cost will be 135 rupees. Usually 100, 117, and it will range from 100 to 250. But usually it will be under the range of 100 to 150 for 1,000 impressions. Okay. So if we have some 1,000 impressions, we can calculate how many clicks it will have and how many click-through rate it will be having. Okay. So from this, the advertisement people who had visited the total number of people who had opened the advertisement or the click the read more option, it is 535. So which means there's a click-through rate of 3.63 percentage. So this click-through rate will be 3 or will be 0.94 or whatever it is based on how the ad interacts with the people. Okay, how the content and what is the ad, and as well as how the targeting is, based on those things, the click-through rate will be there. We had given a configuration to optimize the based on clicks. So that means Facebook will automatically improve the improve the configurations and increase the something like optimization process for the clicks. So that means it will optimize for the number of clicks that we require to be of higher number. So the ultimately it will concentrate to improve the click through rate. Okay, and this is what the link clicks. So link clicks in the sense there might be some button which we might included in the Facebook ad or something, and if how this is to check how many people who had clicked the particular link and came to the link option. So those data will be here. So the cost per link will be available here, and here we'll be having the what are the total number of what is the total number of results that we have. So what's the cost per result and how many results we have. So those data will be available here in this result section. Okay, so this is what how the data of Facebook advertisement will be when we are going to run just a minute when we are going to run a real-time campaign in Facebook ads. Yes, Daniel.
When you're saying result, what's the meaning of result? That means the click through, the person has to the website.
Mhm. Okay, so usually it is based on what campaign that we are choosing. Suppose if we had chosen the option for leads, then leads are the result. If we had chosen the results as clicks, link clicks, then clicks are the result. So right now I had given the leads option. So whenever someone submits the form, those things will be considered as results. One lead, one lead is equal to
Okay, okay.
one submission.
Submission of the form. Okay.
Yes, Daniel. Okay, all right. So that's great. So this is what it is all about Facebook advertisement, and then we had seen about Google advertisement. Okay, so now it is time to explore some of the important tools that we can able to use it for our digital marketing, experiment, and later which is going to help us in our long run. So these are the three tools. So one is Keyword Grouper Pro. Suppose for an example, if we have some thousand number of keywords with us, and we want to categorize the keywords based on some particular keyword category, those things we can able to get it with the help of keyword grouper, so that it will group all the keywords and it will provide us into individual groups. Okay, and what is that Zadro Web? So Zadro Web is one thing which will be helpful to audit the SEO process for each and every page of a website. Many of the outside available site SEO auditor provides SEO auditing only for the website, only for the primary website. They are not providing the SEO audit for the complete each and every page. But the Zadro Web is going to provide you each and every page SEO audit report. All you have to do is you have to enter into the website and you can feed the website link, and from there you can get the results. Okay. Then what we have the next is speechnotes.co. So the speechnotes.co is an online tool through which when you are making some voice conversations, it will automatically convert into text and it will be providing us into a text format. So this will be highly valuable if you are doing a SEO page for a longer amount of pages. If you're using for long amount of pages, high number of pages, there you can able to use the speech notes, and using the text, using the voice to text option, you can able to get a a text format much easily and quickly. Okay, so these are the tools that I thought of sharing it with you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share you these details in your chat option. Okay, yes, so I had shared the details, and yes. So right now the tool session is completed, and right now I have one more important information for from my side to share with you. So that is, whatever that we had seen in this complete webinar, in this complete whole day on the topic SEO and Google Ads, are something like a trailer. We had learned something which is highly essential, which from which we can able to do our own products, our own projects, and from where you can able to start your learning process. Okay, but apart from this, there are a lot of things which are required to be discussed, and about to be educated, get trained. I had spent almost like 7 years of industry experience, on the real time industry experience on digital marketing. Might not be the same case for the others who might enter into the digital marketing training program, and they might educate in the same like how they had learned, and they will be just repeating the same. My way of education will be completely different. Most of the things from my side will be on the real time. Hope you might see in the same. I was how I am presenting in the same way. So my training will be in this kind of real time experiment, and that is what the major difference from the market. And we have a 1 month course that is going to cover all the chapters of essential digital marketing courses. So let me to complete as soon as possible. Like for an example, we have a course for SEO, and then we have for not like a single course. In a single 1 month course, we have SEO, and then we have Google advertisement, and we have Facebook advertisement, and then we have email marketing. So all these four elements, all these complete four elements will be available in a 1 month course. And that 1 month course will be like every day 1 hour will be spent for that 1 month course. And that 1 month course, it has been already started 1 week before itself, and during the time of 9:30 to 10:30 is the time which we had planned right now. So every day evening from Monday to Saturday, I'm sorry, Monday to Friday, evening 9:30 to 10:30 is the duration that already the existing two members of who had enrolled for the 1 month course, they are learning it. And each and every week, the complete module will be covered. SEO, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and email marketing will be covered. And this 1 month course outside, it might be something different, like 10,000, 15,000. I won't mind as well. So we are providing the option of learning this complete digital marketing course for a value of 3,500, for a value of 3,500. And people who are attending this 1 day workshop, they'll be having a special 10% discount. And this discount will be applicable for this 1 month course, so that they'll be having a waive off of 350 rupees. So they'll be paying 3,150 ultimately for this 1 month course. And whoever is interested, they can able to join the 1 month course from Monday onwards. So that the Monday is going to start with the Google Ads. So after Google Ads, it is Facebook Ads, then it is email marketing, then they will be learning about SEO process, then they will be learning about how the SEO works and all those things. Okay, so this is all about that. What I was thinking of conveying it to you. If you want to see some sample 1 month course webinar or something, I can share it with you individually. And whoever is interested to learn more, they can able to utilize this opportunity during this time. Because every day at late evening of 1 hour will be highly comfortable for anyone. Apart from their day-to-day activities, at the end of 1 month they will be exploring the complete digital marketing elements, so that in case of any emergency, they can do it by themselves. Or otherwise, they can also do it for other projects, or they will be having a good amount of knowledge while they are going to speak with the digital marketing person. And hope everyone knows that the current scenario is completely different. We have to be completely clear in digital marketing. Otherwise, survival is a bit difficult. Hope I'm saying the right thing. Okay, all right. So that's all from my side for today, to explain and to give you the inputs. And right now, let us have the doubts and clarification session. We have 30 minutes more. Is completely for you. So whatever the doubts that you are looking to ask regarding this workshop, regarding SEO and Google Ads, let us have that in first. and then we will discuss on something more. If you have some doubts to be clarified for your business, or if you want to have some other doubts from some other chapters of digital marketing, most welcome. So those things also we shall discuss from now. Okay. Thank you very much. So please, you can come up with your doubts if you have anything. And one more thing, meanwhile, you are going to ask me some doubts. I will share you the content of this 1 month course as well. You can ask me the doubts.
Raj,
Hi, Daniel.
Raj,
Hi, Daniel. I can able to hear
yeah,
you.
hi. For a website which has not got all those H1, H2 tags, uh, how does one go about it? Can the website be modified to do those, tags adjustment,
Yes,
and then we can do this kind of a monitoring?
of course, of course. If there is no H1 tag, it is not at all a problem. We can include it at any time, not a problem. Or if there is any existing title which has been mentioned in something like a paragraph tag or some other text tag, just we can change it to H1 tag. There is not a problem. For a coder, it will not take more than 20 minutes.
Okay.
So what you're saying is that, for example, the H1 and H2 tags can
Uh-huh.
only be put by the coders, not by people like us that way.
Suppose if the website, if it is a simple website and you have the access for cPanel, you can make those things. But usually, apart from H1 tag, there are a lot of other things that you have to do. It is based on how the website complex it is. If it is simple website, you can do it by yourself. If it is a complex website, it is better to get the help from a coder.
One uh, clarification I wanted. You see,
Okay. Yes, Samir.
normally I put in products on my website. I only key in the products and put the meta tags and
Mm-hmm.
meta description.
Okay.
So, like I put golf sets in India.
Okay.
Then I put golf clubs in India, golf bags in India. So
Uh-huh.
I was told to put India because otherwise a golf, I mean, such a big world, anybody could be searching.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe somebody in America is searching. So
Mm-hmm.
I mean, anybody sitting in India should look for an Indian site.
Okay.
So is that writing in India important? Like,
In India, it is absolutely not important. If you are having a business in India and there are a lot of people who are coming to a website from India, definitely in India is not at all required. You can simply put
no,
the,
maybe my majority customers are in India only.
then not at all a problem. This mentioning in India is not at all required. Just mention the product details. That is good enough. You can
But
create
won't
the.
that be a lot of competition? Like there'll be thousands of people writing golf shop in their meta tags or
Mhm.
meta. So if writing golf shop in India, won't
Mhm.
that reduce the competition a little bit?
I mean, golf shops in India, it is we can write that it is not going to make any much of a change, even if you write
Okay.
golf shops or golf shops in India.
Okay.
Like if you have it in India, it is fine because when it comes to optimization, it is like golf shops can be added with some other terms so that it will be much specific. So that's what we had made in India. Absolutely, we can add, not a problem, but it is not essential. That's what I would like to say.
Okay.
If we create something in that way, we can for the URL also, we might the if so in some cases the URL will also be getting the same tag because your website is already India. So again, repeating as golf shops in India in the URL, it is highly not recommended. So if the same tag is going to reflect in the slug as well as into the H1 tag and all those elements, then in that case it might not require. At least for one place like in title or might be in description or somewhere, if you like to add this in India, well and good, not a problem. The location tag is we can able to add anywhere in your website. For your website, it is already there. Indian is already present. So India is nowhere it is required if you are planning to optimize your website. If you add at some places, it is not a problem.
Okay, one more clarification
The ad.
regarding. Sorry.
No issues. One by one, anyone can start.
So no, good. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead,
Okay.
go ahead.
Yes, Amir.
Okay. Like I heard that click per CPC.
Uh-huh.
Uh, like the number of people who keep on clicking
Mm-hmm.
the ad, the money gets deducted from the ad.
Okay.
So can the competitor do that? Like, I take a budget of 200 bucks and he finishes it off. He knows that I'm doing an
Hmm.
ad. He keeps on clicking it, and that instead of other customers searching, he only searches, and that's
Uh-huh.
the end of my budget. Is that possible?
Yes, it is 100% possible. It is 100% possible. Some customers, if competitors, if they think they want to do it in this way, that is possible. But there are some click preventing third party tools are available to integrate with Google Ads. But still now, I hadn't found an opportunity to integrate that kind of tool in my platform to do those kind of activities. Usually, if it happens, we can get to know about how the results are.
Yeah,
If the results are not good,
like
then
from the same IP address, if
uh
somebody's clicking it purposely just to finish the budget.
okay, okay,
I
that
mean,
is.
that's the idea is if you give an ad, I mean,
Mhm,
somebody's just wasting your money
mhm,
by just
mhm,
picking up for fun.
mhm.
If you can do that
Of
sometimes.
course, of course, that is possible. That is possible to be done. At the same time, we have the possibility to prevent as well. But usually, it is not required. Many of the things in most of the market, it is not happening. I had done a lot of projects, and till now, I had not implemented this tool. But the tool is available to prevent invalid clicks. But we have to pay separately for them as well.
Raj,
Hi, Daniel. Yes, Daniel.
yeah. My question was this clicks, the ads, what we are talking about, these are only the click ads, they're not banner ads, right?
Yes, we are not speaking about the banner ads or display advertisements, where the cost per advertisement will be
Yeah.
based on impressions. That is, for 1,000 impressions, we'll be paying Google for some amount. So there, the clicks are not a consideration. But those advertisements will be run only for the display advertisements. That is when people are running the advertisement,
Okay.
and during the display advertisement, image-based advertisement on the partner sites of the website, partner sites of the Google, there we will be using it based on impression factor. So there we have to will be paying based on impressions. Right now for Google
Okay.
search advertisement, all the search advertisements whichever we are running, it is going to be in clicks, and display advertisement is much cheaper than this Google search advertisement. Google search advertisement is a bit costly. There are some cost per click which occurs even 1,500 rupees for single click. So I had seen such a kind of powerful keywords for a B2B industry and all those things when we have some global keywords.
For example, like the demo you had done for us right now.
Mm-hmm.
For example, had I managed to pay the money and all,
Uh-huh.
so would that have become a live ad? I mean, just sort of, if I wanted to,
Mm-hmm.
would that have become an ad right now and come on the top page or something?
Okay, you are saying, shall I create an advertisement and will it come at the top portion? That's what your question.
Yeah, the one we were just doing, the practical thing you were doing right now. So
Yes, yes, yes. Using the
हम लोग
practic.
बता रहे थे उसको ना तो
Ha ha ha.
I got stuck up at the payment part.
Ha ha ha.
So had I paid it, so would that have become an ad and become active today and something that's what I
Yes, yes,
wanted to.
yes. Sahi hai, sahi hai. If you add the payment or if you add the card detail to the advertisement, आपका advertisement immediately will be started and will be running out. So that you can do. But if you become an expert, you can save your money. For 500 or something, it is fine. Ultimately, if you get the result, it is fine. But if you want to save, you know, huge amount of money or get a high amount of return from our advertisement payment that we are going to get, that requires some additional technical elements to be learned, and it requires a kind of player. It's a kind of, we are right now we are in the beginning stage. We are beginners, we can do something, but once we learn all the technical elements and get a hands-on exposure, experience, and etc., then we will become a player, so that we can able to win much easily, fastly. Our stamina will be increased. So that's how I can able to say it like an example, like it is a race.
For the monthly class, you were telling, suppose I miss on a particular date, maybe see I run a restaurant also.
Hmm.
Suppose I miss, will that be a recorded version by mail or something? Suppose will be possible.
Yes. Yes, Samir. So the monthly course will be completely recorded. That will be provided for you, and even if you require monthly ones, if you miss some sessions, those sessions we can able to take it separately.
Okay, I'll probably do it.
Sure, Samir.
Okay,
Most welcome.
I need to go. So thank you so much.
Okay then.
Uh, right, so I'll be in touch with you tomorrow.
Sure,
Thanks a lot.
Samir. Sure, Samir.
Bye,
Thank you very
everybody.
much. Bye,
Bye.
Samir.
Hello,
यार,
Raj.
Samir, just give me a minute. Samir, I thought of saying you one thing. Samir, can you?
Yes.
Okay, Samir, can you just give me some small testimonial or review? Let me to share my screen so that I can use it in my screen, and from there, it'll be helpful for my upcoming sessions, as well as we can you can get a backlink as well. It's just a review. If you can able to
Yeah,
type me
yeah.
in WhatsApp or
I'd
something.
love to do that. Where do I write? In the chats only, no?
Yes, in chat also it is fine. I will show you where it will be. Training. So yes, Samir. So I require some testimonials where I can able to place it over here, along with the backlink. So when people clicks a link, a backlink will be provided to your website. So it will be helpful if you can provide me some text or
Yeah,
narrative
yeah. I'll
text
just do
something.
it. Give me 10 minutes.
Oh, okay, then that's
Shall I
great.
do it right now or shall I do it on from my laptop?
It's fine, Samir. Whenever you are free, not a problem.
I
Whenever
can
you
do
are
it
free.
now.
Sure, then sure. Of course, most welcome. Thank you very much. Have a great
Yeah,
day. Thank
thank
you very
you.
much. All the best. Okay. Done. So, anybody else has some questions? I'm ready to answer, and else we can wind up.
Which one is best compared with the SEO and SMM, social media marketing? Which one is best?
Okay, SEO or SMM.
Yeah.
SEO is the best. But I love SMM. The reason is
Okay.
SMM can provide very at the low price you can able to achieve great.
Okay.
And SEO is something like we can definitely achieve it, but pricing will be high. That is the difference. Hope you understand. So people who are
Okay.
looking for an immediate need, they will come to the Google search, so that
Oh,
we will get some quality people. If you speak with three people, one people will be converted.
understood. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So social media platform, it is so huge. Lot of people are there in the Facebook. All category of people are there. So
Yes.
identifying the right audience, segmented audience whom we require. So for to get specifically those audience, uh, there are a lot of things required when it comes to social media advertisements. But
Searching.
if we
Yeah.
get it exactly, the cost will be much lesser. The returns will be
Yeah.
high. The expansion will be much great when you're going for SMM.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
All right, that's great.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Arun.
Yeah. Thanks. Thanks a
Sure,
lot.
Arun, and I'll be happy if you leave some testimonials in my WhatsApp number or might be here, along with
Yeah.
if you have any website name, so that if it is good, I can deploy it in my website as well as a testimonial.
Yeah. Sure. 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 Okay. Okay.
Sure, Arun, Karthik. Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Thanks. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Sure, thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. Back.
Hi, Daniel. I'm waiting.
Yeah. So if you can also share your contact so that or the WhatsApp link you have details.
Okay, Daniel. Actually, I couldn't
So
hear you
then
properly. Can you come
yeah.
again one more time?
Yeah. No, I was saying that if you can share details so that I can get in touch with you.
You asked my phone number, WhatsApp number.
Yeah. 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 WhatsApp number. You can give me the WhatsApp number.
Okay. Sure, Daniel. I will text my WhatsApp number in the chat now. It is open, not a problem.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
it is nine
And
zero five seven. Yes.
And if ever I have any queries,
Hmm.
I would really could help you because this is the first session,
Hmm.
just kind of soaked in everything.
Okay.
Uh, I would need to, start deep diving into this.
Okay, Daniel. Of course, Daniel, you can reach me at any time, not a problem. So whenever I am available, I will definitely help you. It won't be a problem unless I'm busy with something else. I will be definitely helping you to troubleshoot all your doubts.
Right, right. You are also doing the food front, is it?
Food, actually, I use it for demo purpose right now. I'm not doing much big. There was an e-commerce platform. I use it for getting Google AdSense account. Through, I will be putting some advertisements and I'm receiving. And similarly, there are some things with that it has a good brand. It is for reselling, so it is for those kind of process I'm having it. Whatever that I'm doing in real
Okay.
time, I had not taken it to this workshop till now. So I'm doing some two good projects, one from Los Angeles and one from Bangalore. And the Bangalore based project they are doing in India, Sri Lanka, and all those things. They are a higher budget of 3 lakh, 4 lakh they are investing every month. If required, I can open the Google
Okay.
Ads and I can show it to you, but this is just for demo purpose, so I had not preferred to show that. That's why.
Okay.
All right, Daniel. Thank you very much. Thank
Okay.
you very
So
much for
yeah.
everyone to be here for a long session from the
Thank you.
morning to evening. I really enjoyed your questions and your interaction through what
Yeah.
which made this event
We
a
will
great
just record
success.
a session, right?
Yes, Daniel.
We will this event recorded also, no?
Yes, this session will be
Recording
recorded.
of this.
Yes, recording of the session is available. You can just pick me in the WhatsApp so that I will share you the links from where you can get all those details.
Yeah.
Even if you can check out my
Done. Done.
YouTube channel Tanigay Raj, where you will be getting all the recordings. All right.
Okay. Okay. But I will take a link that I'll be able to download, go
Sure,
through it
sure,
again.
sure. Sure.
So
Just
that
ping me
I'll
in.
revise and start. Huh?
Sure, Daniel. You can ping me in WhatsApp. I will share you all the links.
Done. Done.
Okay
Thank you
then.
so much.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you very much. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you so much.
everyone. So, Arun Karthik, thank you very much for attending the session. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Wish you all the best.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. Yeah, okay.
Sure.
Okay.
And please
Thank you.
do give your reviews,
Okay.
narrated reviews here or might be in
On
the
the
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
It'll be, yeah, in WhatsApp. Absolutely, it'll be helpful for me a lot, along with your website
Sure.
link if you have.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Sure.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your
Yeah. Thank you
patience.
so
Have a
much.
great
Yeah.
day.
Thank you.
Wish
Thank
you
you.
all the best.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.